Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Passion Java, born Panganai Java on the 29th of October 1987, is today celebrating his birthday. He is a Zimbabwean Christian preacher, socialite, entrepreneur, music promoter, and author. He is also an associate of the Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Passion Java started church ministry at his brother's church at Tabernacles of Grace before moving on to start his own church, Kingdom Embassy. He started Kingdom Embassy as a prophet in 2010 at the Chitungwiza Aquatic Complex and grew to prominence when he was predicting phone numbers and ID numbers of audience members in services. In 2015, Java launched a music label called PJ Records, where gospel artists would go and record music for free. In 2017, Java started promoting Zimdanso artists, which include Enzo Aisau, the late Soldier Love, Buffalo Soldier, Ja Mazda, Rocky, and several others through Passion Java Records. For more stories, please do like and subscribe to Zimstek Media.